The idea of acting as a response to the call for support. The support of creating the dignity everyone deserves, because people are willing and capable. Every single person deserves empowerment. And this empowerment does not happen with a single transaction or a temporary assistance. Empowerment requires much more than that, an opportunity to flourish. But this opportunity to flourish does not start with a handout. It starts with a job to earn the livelihood. It is all about investing in the development of a student, because every student is worth it. And everyone has a dream for their future. Creating that future by just not equipping them to survive but to thrive is our vision. We are KGTTI, Karnataka German Technical Training Institute. Transforming lives, empowering the next generation. KGTTI, excellence through skills.